Hello everyone, I am Bhavya Bhatt, a student of MES Garware College of Commerce, Autonomous, Pune. And for today's insightful conversation, I'd like to welcome Dr. Jayashree Pawar ma'am, the head of the Entrepreneurship, Innovation and Startup Cell of Garware College of Commerce, EISC. Ma'am holds a strong academic background in microeconomics and macroeconomics, holding an MA, PhD, B.Ed, and SET qualifications. Ma'am inspires, motivates, and encourages students, fostering entrepreneurship among them and guiding them to excel academically and professionally. So, we welcome you, Dr. Jayashree Pawar ma'am, to this session.
Thank you.
Ma'am, can you please tell us about EISC and its vision and mission?
Yes, EISC stands for Entrepreneurship, Innovation and Startup Cell. The cell was actually formed by Dr. Gita Acharya in 2004, and it was then handed over to Dr. Arjuna Joshi, and I'm the third person who is heading the cell. The motive behind this, the vision and mission of this cell is to create job creators, not job seekers, and for that we provide a variety of platforms on our college campus to develop their entrepreneurship skills.
Ma'am, what activities and programs are conducted in EISC and how does it benefit students?
EIS conducts various programs or activities. Basically, we have campus cartel, which is a regular activity of a college. We takes 4 campus cartels in a year, 2 in the first semester and 2 in the second semester. Campus Cartel provides the platform where entrepreneurs can sell their product on the college campus for 2 days. For this, people or the students actually market their product on the college campus. Then the second one is a group of activities that we conduct, that is brainstorming session, team bonding session and idea generation workshop. These sessions are carried out by the student themselves and they are guided by themselves only. Apart from that, we have a big activity, that is Innovation. Innovation is a flagship event of our college which comprises 4 main activities. One is your e-talk, which is named as a Prayukti, where we invite the personnel or resource persons who have significant contribution in entrepreneurship. And secondly, we have a business plan competition, then marketing competition, and finally is a business fair. Business fair is the platform where the college student as well as other college students can showcase their product, and it is for 2 or 3 days, depends on the dates availability. We will allow them to sell their product on the college campus, to market their product on the college campus. Apart from that, these are the regular activities that the department conducts. But industrial visit, then other guest lectures can also be organized as per the schedule permits.
Ma'am, how does EISC support aspiring entrepreneurs?
Yes, ESL have signed MOU with Deyasra and Laghu Udyog Bharti. These 2 are NGOs and they are doing well in supporting aspiring entrepreneurs. So on our sale, or our department actually conducts a workshop based on that with the resource persons from Deyasra and Laghu Udyog Bharti, and they provide the various opportunities to our students. So here we allow our students to, just as I said, that we have a brainstorming session, idea generation workshop. In that, we expect that the student should develop their idea through the brainstorming, and that idea should be nurtured throughout the year. Okay, so when a student enters in the department in the first year, it is supposed that he should bring his idea at a proper place after the 3rd year. So that is what the idea is, and for that we provide resource person guidance, mentoring, and obviously the field visits also to get them hands-on experiences.
How does EISC help students develop skills that they can use in their career?
As I said, we conduct various activities. In those activities, we allow students to market the product. Then students also market the events of our college in other colleges also, the marketing skill, communication skill, problem solving skill. As when you conduct a program on a college campus, you may face different problems. So how to solve those problems. Then team bonding, leadership. These are the various skills which can be generated through the activities. Obviously, these skills will be enhanced to the activities can be useful for their career development as well.
Ma'am, what advice would you give to students passionate about pursuing their entrepreneurial ideas?
Entrepreneurship is not a task of one day. It takes lots of time since your idea generation to establish your business. Consistency is very much important. You should be very consistent in your work. Your thought process should be continuous because this is the real research, and research is also a thing which is impacting your ideas. So your research must be a continuous process. Consistency is the most important thing. Secondly, any student who is willing to be an entrepreneur, that person should be habitual with he should be ready to accept negativity, rejection. Nowadays, what students feel that whatever I'm doing, it should be accepted by each and every person. That is not a thing. In the market, there are many more. The competitions is vast. So it is not like that. Yet whatever you are giving to the society, it will be accepted. You should be ready for rejection as well. And when you get a rejection, it's not a kind of a demotivating. It's a kind of a boost to you. You should know why is it getting rejected, why it is getting rejected, what should I do to improve my product. Okay, consistency, acceptance of the reality, and lastly, focusing on your aim. That is very important because see, when we want to become an entrepreneur, you may face lots of failure, and in that case, you can see, अरे ये नहीं ये कर सकते, ये नहीं वो कर सकते. Not, it is not like that. If you have a goal, common goal, you should follow it consistently.
On behalf of MES Garware College of Commerce Autonomous Pune, I thank you, ma'am, for sharing your insights with students and for having you on board. I hope that this was beneficial for the students. I hope you liked this session. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts. Thank you for watching.